see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the full drop list for Supreme Week 2. We do have the Nike collaboration, which I feel like I've been talking about a lot. So in this video, I am gonna briefly cover it, talk about my resale estimations, resell for the dunks, and then every other item that's gonna release for week 2. It's looking like a pretty solid week, so I did want to go ahead and cover it for you guys. But if you do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And also don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in this Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. This is gonna end in 2 weeks, and all you have to do literally is subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the videos, and make sure you enter through the Gleam link, because that is the way that I'm gonna pick the winner. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Just like that, we hopped on our green screen. I'm gonna go ahead and just talk about these items rapid fire, talk about what I feel like is gonna happen as far as resale goes. We do have a lot of items that were actually added. It does say that the full list isn't out yet, so I guess I'm gonna just go through these and then I'm gonna go on Drops by Jay Instagram. First item on this list is the Rawlings Baseball Bat. They're saying that retail for this is gonna be $128, which is honestly expected when it comes to a baseball bat. This is actually pretty fire. I do like the fact that it's a metallic, like a chrome feel on it. I just don't understand how it's metallic and then it's like wood. How the fuck is there metallic wood? Try to piece that together for me. I don't really know. A baseball bat being released by Supreme, it's sick as shit, and if I could get my hands on it, I definitely will. I just don't know if I'm trying to spend $130. What would I be using a baseball bat for? If I wanted to probably get a baseball bat that I would use, I just go to like Modell's or something. Yo, Modell's is probably not even open anymore. That's crazy, yo. There's no more Blockbuster, no more Modell's. Like, shit is beyond me. But the Supreme baseball bat is kind of hard. I feel like down the line, this probably will be worth some type of money. I know they dropped a mini baseball bat. I don't know if they ever dropped a full length one. We got the Zippo right here, which I actually do own this one. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me show this a couple times. This is the Supreme all over Zippo pretty much. I feel like they released this shit like 3 times if I'm not mistaken. Resale for this is non-existent. I'm not even gonna lie. This shit is not there. They released this shit so many times that resale is just impossible, bro. My thing is though, Supreme is normally creative with these accessories, and the fact that they're doing the same item again is kind of a bummer. If it would have been a different Zippo, I probably would have ended up buying it, knowing my dumb ass. If you haven't got it and you do collect Zippos, this is a fire piece to get. I just feel like resale wise, definitely don't do it. It's a waste of money. We have one of my favorite items releasing, which I gotta talk about before that big logo sweater, the loose gauge beanies, bro. If I don't get the sneakers, I'd be happy leaving with one of these beanies right here. If you know me, you know I keep a hat on, bro. Like low-key, I always have a hat on. That's why y'all think I'm bald in this bitch. Like low-key, y'all be getting surprised at the fact that I have hair. Like, bro, I have hair, you feel me? I just always keep it in a hat. But for the purpose of this video and this loose gauge beanie right here, I'm gonna show y'all the hair, bro. I typically just keep my shit covered, but if I do get this beanie, it'll probably just be in the black color, because I feel like the loose gauge beanie is one that you could wear with so much. I already have a blue one, I already have a cream one, I need a black one. Dark green one isn't even that bad though, low-key. The dark green beanie, resale wise, I don't know how these will do exactly. I feel like if it does have any type of resale, it'll probably be like $30 on top. Nothing too spicy, like nothing too worth it. I feel like the big boy item for this week definitely is gonna be these SBs, which since I'm talking about it now, I might as well just cover it. Beautiful, bro. Like there's no other way to put it. These motherfuckers is beautiful, bro. You just can't go wrong with these. Like the black colorway is spectacular. I definitely need these. I don't know how I feel about the Dubrays on the front of these hoes, but at the end of the day, these are fire. I feel like that black colorway is just scrumptious, bro. That's like small pepperonis on a pizza to me right there. These are gonna go for like $900 to $1,000. That's what I'm saying. I'm excited to just even try to get my hands on one of these. I don't even care what color I get. I would love to do a review for you guys. I don't have any dunks. I do love how they look. I just don't end up buying them for some reason because Nike doesn't let me. Like, I never take a W on sneakers. Like, bro, it's been like a year since I took a W on sneakers. Help me, please. Cause like I only cook up on Foot Locker, Foot Action. I actually got a pair of Jordans right here that I'm gonna do a review on, even though it's late, that I didn't get off sneakers. Like, yo, help me. I don't know what to do, bro. I need to create a new account or some shit. Let me know in the comments or DM me if you got any type of tips. This blue colorway is another one that's just like, I'd probably pick these before the black ones. It's something about this blue colorway that just draws me to it. Normally, I would go for a black sneaker. Like, guaranteed, I would obviously go for the black sneaker first, but it's something about this tone of blue that's just like, I need it. I don't know what it is, but I need it. Definitely gonna be one of the higher prices as far as resale goes. This brown colorway right here, it actually did grow on me a little bit. The Dookie brown right here, like the you've been eating good brown on the Dookie, isn't that bad. I feel like it grew on me a little bit more the more I see them on feet, if that makes sense. These are gonna resell for like $800 to $900. A lot of people are saying this is their favorite color, but for me, I just don't see it, bro. I don't see the vision with these. These are the slime green ones though, slat type shit on the green dunks, but I'm good on those. I ain't gonna talk about it no more. We got this big logo hooded sweatshirt. I think this one's pretty solid. It's like a big ass box logo on the back of you. I don't think it has any type of branding on the front. If I was to get this, I'd probably get either the baby blue or the black one. Those are the two solid colorways in my opinion. I'm good on that one. I personally don't even like white hoodies. And I feel like I have so many Supreme hoodies that if I don't love the hoodie, like if I don't need the hoodie, I'm not buying that shit. It should be an easy cop, I'm not gonna lie. We also do have this Polar Tech lined Sideline Parka. This one just basically has the Supreme Nueva York logo on the back, and it says Sati Unity with the Supreme on top of it. It also is Polar Tech, so I'm pretty sure it'll be comfortable. Small logo on the front right around the chest area. Honestly, this is something that if you don't like it for the personal, don't pick it up for resale because this is not it. But right here we do have the Supreme brushed checkerboard cardigan. This does come in 4 different colorways. I feel like this is a Tyler the Creator type cardigan right here. I could personally see myself wearing the black colorway. I just need to lose a couple more pounds before I could pull some shit like that off. The pink colorway isn't that bad as well. Brownish color isn't even that bad. I feel like this is something you wear with like some chucks and just keep it real subtle. Personally, I'd probably end up skipping on this to be 100 with y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this quick commercial. I know that this week is one of the more hyped weeks for Supreme and everybody's trying to get the dunks. I want the loose gauge beanie as well. The Zippo is fire. One of the best ways to go ahead and increase your chances at getting these items by checking out Addict.io. They are an iOS bot who covers over 85 different stores, including Yeezy Supply, Kith, Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, and a bunch more. I would honestly recommend you guys to get this bot if you're interested in increasing your chances at these drops. Drops like these sell out incredibly fast, and the more chances you have to get these items for retail, the better it is for you to go ahead and successfully cook up. Honestly, for week 1, they managed to get a bunch of COS box logos. They actually did release a live cop on their YouTube channel. The hybrid mode that they have is honestly A1 because you get to use your tasks and actually see what's going on. So if something is faulty on that task, you move on to the next one and then see what's going on there. They have unlimited tasks. I would definitely recommend going for 3 to 4 per colorway / size, but you can go ahead and put as many as you want. The bot is also a one-time fee. You get unlimited updates for life, so you pay the $130 or even less if you use my promo code Astro, and you don't ever have to pay for it again. They've been adding a lot of extra features to the bot, and I feel like these are all little things that can help you successfully check out on these Supreme releases. They even release a YouTube video showing you guys exactly how to set up for the following drop. I would definitely recommend you guys to check it out. I will leave them linked in the description if you're interested, but without any further ado, let's go ahead and get back into the rest of this video. We are gonna hop on Drops by Jay Instagram real quick and see what he's talking about over there. So like I was saying, boom, he does have some more items on here, and we are gonna go ahead and talk about it real quick. We got this, I forgot the name of this jacket, bro. I'm gonna probably botch some of the names of the pieces, but I'm gonna let y'all know my honest opinion. This jacket right here is like some serial killer shit. I don't even know what's going on with this one, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I've honestly been lately, I've been into like documentaries that have to do with that kind of shit. It's just the mystery of the unknown that kind of grasps me to it. But at the end of the day, this jacket is pretty solid. I definitely do like the black one. I feel like it's more wearable. The orange one is fire. I always feel like that color jacket is hard. It reminds me of like V-Lone Air Force Ones for some reason. If I was to wear one of these two, I definitely would wear the black one first. I do love the way that the branding is on the front on the little pocket. That's actually pretty solid. But let's go ahead and talk about the next piece. We spoke about the hoodie on top. Then we got this caterpillar looking ass hoodie right here. I don't know what this one's gonna do resale wise. I feel like this isn't gonna sell at all. This is another one of those pieces that you buy if you like it. I don't think resale is gonna be there on this Caterpillar hoodie. It's it's nothing too special, nothing over the top. We do got these like denim, acid wash denim. It almost gives me like vintage Levi vibes. I used to wear these type of colors back in the day, and honestly, I don't think I wear no shit like that no more. Like, it's over for that. Oh, the fucking skull shirt is dropping this week. I know on the lookbook I was preaching about this shirt right here. Low-key, this is a solid piece. If it's $68 and I don't pick up the dunks, I might have to get this and the loose gauge beanie. I'd be set with those. This shirt right here in the black, fire. Definitely would get that, or even in that gray color, because they don't normally drop that tone of gray. I actually do love that skull shirt. Resale's definitely not gonna be there on that or on this shirt right here. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this one. We just gonna be good on that one. We got like the samurai leather hat all the way at the top, as y'all can see all the way up there. That one comes in 5 different colorways. The navy with the baby blue is actually not that bad. These are alright. Personally, I wouldn't go for it. We do got the collegiate logo one, which is pretty much like a CPFM. I don't know why, but it gives me like CPFM vibes, like when they did the Air Force Ones. That's kind of what these remind me of. Personally, I'd probably just end up skipping on that. I don't think I'd buy those. We do got the camp cap, which is actually pretty hard in that pink colorway. The baby blue colorway is fire. We got the black and then another black, or maybe like a navy. The baby blue one, fire. That's probably my favorite one. There's only one hat, and it's not even a hat that's calling my name on this page right here, and it's probably to the side of me right there. That beanie, ooh, fire, bro. We spoke about this shit. That's pretty much it for the Droplist, bro. Let me know what y'all think down below. This is everything that's releasing right there. That skull logo shit is fire. The Zippo is hard. The bat is hard. The loose gauge beanie is probably one of my favorite items besides the dunks. Then we got the dunks, obviously, which are probably gonna be the best resale item for this season. Definitely a banger item that I'm gonna try to go ahead and get my hands on. But if I don't get it, I wouldn't even be that salty. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'd be pretty happy with just getting the loose gauge beanie and getting that skull shirt, which I'm actually pretty amped about as well. Low-key, that pretty much does it for this video, man. If y'all enjoyed this one, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. As y'all can see right here, we are at 17,617 subscribers. Once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'll give away either a pair of sneakers or a box logo tee or hoodie. So start subbing up. And matter of fact, there's a Gleam link in the description, which you guys can go ahead and enter if you're trying to win a Supreme TNF shoulder bag for free for the free ski. All you have to do is leave a like on my videos and subscribe to the channel down below, man. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and we're out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.